What's up with it, peeps? What's up with it? Man, this is your boy Asakar bringing you flame. You already know. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell, homie. You know what the business be. Look, we got Kawhi in the background. Man, you supposed to be practicing, man.
Man, what it do, man? Hey, shining blind.
What's up with it? Hey, boy, I'm telling you, man. You count them blessings, ladies and gentlemen. Count them blessings. It's hard out here. You see what's going on in Chicago? Do you see what's going on in Chicago? Let's check this out, man, right quick. I couldn't believe this crap when I seen this, man. You don't know. Hey, you never know. When is your last? Listen here. 6 dead after a dust storm crashes in the Interstate 55 inches in Illinois. A dust storm. I've never heard of a dust storm, I guess, if you're in the desert and they have like a little storm like that, but I never heard of a dust storm in the United States. And it killed 55 people? No, it didn't kill 55 people. What was it, 55 inches? Don't give me the line. Don't give me the line. No, excuse me, 6 dead. 6 people died.
You never heard of a dust storm?
What the hell's a dust storm?
It's going to look like a tornado.
Well, I know they got something like it in the desert, you know, but a dust storm?
Yeah, it swirls up just like a tornado.
More like in the Midwest area, like it happened.
It can happen out here. As long as it's flat land with some dirt, it can swirl up.
Boy, ain't that some shit? Nigga learn something every goddamn day. Boy, there's so much going on, ladies and gentlemen, man. You need to thank yourself for just waking up. Don't thank yourself. Thank God for waking you up. Because without He, you would not be. You would not be. I'm telling you, you know the business. On this plantation break, man, got to get it in, man. Got to get that plug in, that Glade plug in, homie. You know the business. You know the business. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Man, 6 dead. I've never heard of a dust storm before, man. 55 inches? God dang. Boy, everything happened in Illinois, ain't it? Ooh, you definitely got to count them, baby. You definitely got to count them blessings. We'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Tune on in. See, man, hey, like I be saying, man, motherfuckers need to count their blessings for real, homie. You know, Felipe Colares, former UFC fighter, dies at 29 after being hit by a bus in Rio de Janeiro. Man. Yeah, he was returning home from training when he was hit in Guaratiba neighborhood of Rio Colares. Was tended by first responders but died en route nearby the hospital Roca Ferreira in Campo, per reports. Man, I'm telling you, dude, you just never know when you might have to have your last breath or when you may exalt your last breath. And fate may be on your side. You will meet the Grim Reaper one day. You know, you're not going to live forever. But you just don't never know when. You know, just imagine if you had imaginary clock, but you can see your time dwindling. You know, your timeline on this earth and it's dwindling, it's counting down. How would you react? Would you be nice to people? Would you be an asshole? How would you react? Is there life on the other side of the game? You know what I'm saying? On the other side of the spectrum. These are questions that we never know. And we must fulfill one day when we meet that faith. But this is your boy Moose. I got to go back to the plantation. I'll holler y'all later on. Peace and a bottle of Hagrid's, people.
He has not been able to break my spirit. They hate Farrakhan. What you hate me for? I don't rob nobody. I don't steal. I don't lie. I don't fornicate. I'm not a homosexual. I don't countenance dope. I clean people up from that. Why you don't like me? You don't like me because I met the one who would consume you with the spirit of his mouth on the brightness of his coming. I don't represent God will come. Hell no. When you see a black man, listen to me good. Listen. Listen. When you see a black man stand up in the most powerful government on earth and speak as I speak and walk as I walk and live as I live and don't care nothing about that enemy, then you ought to know God is not to come. God is already present. He's here. He's in the world. That's the good news. That's the glad tidings.